Now ask yourself, am I missing something for there to be something more than just the ordinary? The truth is there is. Most people like the experience land, so it's very obvious for them to obtain the same results as before. You see, if you picked up your ideas from those around you that may not know anything, much of anything, you are going to regenerate that result. The unknown has become a restricted area, not only in achievement, but in every walk of life. Some just don't go there, and that is where things really happen. But when it comes to living successful, you must go there, for you will never make it to second base if you keep one foot on first. It's natural for you to experience fear, but you need to develop more understanding, and understanding will lead to faith. For you either have faith or fear. One must enter your mind. It is then you make a decision. You have to choose which is to dominate your mind. Your mind is very sensitive and receptive. It picks up the slightest thoughts. Now listen, when you're ready, when you're able to move yourself into that unknown in which your goals demand, for there is something within that want to express itself. You have this burning desire for something. You're a spiritual being, and spirit has one job, which is to create. So by the time you're about to move to a higher frequency, seeing no roadmap, no clue of how to obtain your goal, the intellect is going to tell you that you're going to fail, that there's no roadmap, you don't know what you're doing. It will try to discourage you, which is natural, for the intellect judges from appearances. So since it can't find any, it will try to pull you back to comfort, which is not something you want. But back of the intellect is the infinite power which is trying to move you forward to the right place. This won't become an effort on your part, for the way will be shown. Everything in this universe is connected, for your ideas knows themselves. That is, the first step will lead to the second step. One idea leads to another. The discovery of one secret reveals the other. Before you know it, you are there. Then you will start looking forward to something new. George Bernard Shaw said, people are always blaming their circumstance for what they are. He said, I don't believe in circumstance. The people who get on in this world are the people who get up and look for the circumstance they want, and they can't find them, they make them. To break it down, you can do anything, and that's all there is to it. Setting up yourselves for success, and you should, for conforming to the majority is just a bad idea. The successful individual who are making great changes, they go into the unknown all the time. And when you're about to move yourself to that higher state, you're going to experience fear, like I said before, but understanding will knock them off. Burn your bridges, remove plan B. Let it be your objective to have only one option, which is to succeed, and succeed you will. For nature knows no failure. I never try to play it safe. You know, there are others trying to play it safe, which is obviously a bad idea anyway. Just go and do it, for the way will be shown. The individuals that you call risk takers, they don't see themselves as risk takers. What they want to do is succeed. Their mind is filled with what they want, and they go through difficulty with ease, without any trouble. You make a committed decision that nothing is going to stop me from reaching my goal. Now stay with me, for I'll be sharing with you some important transforming information. Thank you. So bye for now.